Today's topic is Croatia, a beautiful European country with a rich history. In this documentary, we will explore Croatia's journey from 2000 to 2025. Watch till the end to learn interesting facts about this amazing nation. Watch till the end to discover the beauty of Croatian life. Language of Croatia. The official language of Croatia is Croatian. It is a South Slavic language written in the Latin alphabet. Culture of Croatia. Croatian culture is rich and deeply connected to history and tradition. Family, respect, and hospitality are very important values. Traditional clothing and arts. In villages, people wear colorful traditional clothes during festivals. Croatian handicrafts, embroidery, and lacework are world famous. Foods of Croatia. Croatian food is influenced by Mediterranean and Central European cuisines. Popular Croatian dishes. Some famous Croatian foods include chivati, peka, garet, and black risotto. Croatia in the early 2000s. The country focused on peace, democracy, and economic recovery. Tourism slowly started growing along the Adriatic Sea. Political and economic growth, 2006 to 2010. During this time, Croatia strengthened its democratic institutions. The government worked toward joining the European Union. Tourism became one of the most important parts of the economy. European Union membership, 2011 to 2015. In 2013, Croatia officially became a member of the European Union. EU membership helped improve infrastructure, trade, and travel opportunities. Modern development in tourism, 2016 to 2019. Croatia became a popular global tourist destination. Cities like Dubrovnik, Split, and Zagreb attracted millions of visitors. Challenges and resilience, 2020-2021. In 2020, Croatia faced challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Tourism slowed down, and daily life changed. Recent progress and stability, 2022 to 2025. Croatia continued to grow. In 2023, Croatia adopted the euro as its official currency. The country also joined the Schengen area, allowing easier travel across Europe. Conclusion: its journey shows resilience, progress, and hope for the future. Thank you for watching this documentary on Croatia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content documentaries.